Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center with a very good update. This is one of the stocks out of my 5 top stocks that are that could 10x in the next year. This basically is Asia Broadband, AABB. On Webull, it's called Dongfam, so that might have been the old name. But if you're looking to invest, this stock actually, when I recommended it, was actually 40 cents. So wanted to keep that in mind in transparency. It did go down. There was actually a lot of articles, strangely, that the company even said were fake and saying the company was a scam. So of course it started dipping down quite a bit, even went to low as about 10 cents at one point, almost to 10 cents, you can see right here. And then of course it sat pretty low for a little while, and now they're starting to regain. What this company's primarily doing is they have a gold-backed crypto. So like most cryptocurrencies, all honesty, in my opinion, they're backed by nothing except what you can convince somebody to pay for them. But Asia Broadband, they actually have a wallet. You can download this wallet now. Right now, the AABB Wallet can be downloaded on Google Play in the App Store. And if you use the referral code 408468, you'll get a special bonus. The ABB Wallet is unique. Basically, you can instantly send and receive cryptos anonymously. Is their priority, of course. It's for business to business or business to customer transactions. Quickly exchange cryptocurrencies for US dollars and other currencies. So they're trying to make this easy. You can send money by text message. You basically have a PIN code and a code that's unique. It's easier to remember, unlike Bitcoin and a couple other things where you've got a 28 or letter passphrase or whatever that you can't pick and it's all randomized. It's just difficult. This is a passcode that's easier to use. And basically they have a referral system. And the other thing is, if you get AABB, their crypto, it is actually gold based. And that's why I feel their stock is going to go really high. I think a lot of people are going to like to use the wallet that they have because it seems to be easier compared to other things I've seen, as well as the options. Practically AABB Gold, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Perps Coin, Dash, Cardano, Ethereum, Tron, IOTA, many more. There's actually, if you look at the app, I think they support every crypto. There was like over 50 different ones that I looked through when I downloaded the app. So when you're looking at this, of course, 1 month, this was at 60 cents roughly. It dipped to 10 cents and now it's at 34. They're also going to be paying a dividend on April 2nd. So if you own 50 shares, for every 50 you get 1. Most of the times, since it's a new company, they're giving shares instead of money. So that's a nice value to get 1 share for every 50 you own on April 2nd. So they actually didn't formally announce this wallet yet, which is funny, but it should be announced soon. I think it's not 100% functional because I didn't see how to put my cash into it so I can buy some of the coin. I am planning on trying to buy some, but it's AABB Wallet on Google App Store, referral code 408468. I'm going to put this information in the description too. And my opinion is this is a stock that in a year could 10x. It could easily be $2 or $3 stock because it is a smaller stock. And we'll see what happens. This is not advice to buy or sell any stocks or crypto, but you know what I'm doing. So check it out. Good luck. Have a great day. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you got in and what you're doing.